What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this video. Billy Aiken here. This is your first time here. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to take a look at become a super affiliate. Spend more time with your family. Become successful in your business to the point where you have a residual income coming in that is more per month than you ever made in an entire year. We're going to take a look at how you can achieve those results today. So we're going to take an inside look at the Super Affiliate Network. This is the system that not only myself, but also so many others have been able to generate $10, $20, $30,000 in commissions in a single month. And we're going to take a look at that right now. So join the fastest growing community of super affiliates that are absolutely crushing it in their online business. There are actual members inside the community of this Super Affiliate Network that are generating anywhere from $10,000 per month in residual commissions, all the way up to $30,000 per month in commissions. I don't know about you, but if I was able to generate in 1 month what I normally would generate in an entire year, that would provide so much freedom in my life. And I know that would provide so much freedom in your life. You will have a dedicated one-on-one coach. That's right. Once you sign up with the Super Affiliate Network, you're actually going to get a one-on-one coach that is going to be there to walk you through the entire process, to make sure you're not overwhelmed, to be able to help you through the process, to make sure that you have a key understanding of affiliate marketing and the process for you to be able to get to that $10,000 per month mark in your business and beyond. You're going to learn how to create a mass movement. That's right, a mass movement. You'll learn how to create your own following and how to build your own audience of people that are actual buyers, people that are going to follow you to create your own culture. You're going to actually go through an affiliate boot camp. You're going to go through each module step by step. You'll learn how to drive traffic. You'll learn affiliate marketing. You're going to learn different ways for you to do social media marketing. You're going to learn all the aspects of what affiliate marketing is and how for you to be successful in your business. You're actually going to have an opportunity to generate $1,000 paydays in your business. As you can see here, here's a screenshot of one of the multiple days that I had in my business of $1,000 commissions. We're talking about one sale, $1,000. You're going to learn the new opportunity. Most people fail because they're trying to offer a product or a service that provides no real value. Within the Super Affiliate Network, you're going to find that this is the missing link in the entire marketplace that actually provides you what you need to take you where you need to go. You're going to see real results of not only other people, such as a lady named Keisha that generates $20,000 to $30,000 per month. You're going to see, a guy named Billy Montes that has generated $40,000, $50,000 in his business. You're going to look at Karen Richardson that generated $65,000 in commissions. Aiken Rich over $180,000 in commissions. And here's me, just within a couple of months of starting. I was a little overwhelmed and my coach kind of walked me through the process and I generated over, $6,000 in commissions. And look at that, $199 already today. I'm so excited about that. Your time is now to start your journey to become a super affiliate. There's a difference between being an affiliate than being a super affiliate. And you're going to learn what that is to become a super affiliate. What I want to challenge you to do is to sign up right now. Click on the link below and get started. Sign up right now. Become a member of the Super Affiliate Network. Start earning your first commissions now.